Today I'm making these cheesy Dorito triangles using an air fryer. Keep watching. I made this before years ago using actual oil. This time I'm going to use an air fryer. First thing we need to do is start off with some Doritos. I'm using nacho cheese Doritos. I'm only going to use about half these Doritos. However many you use is up to you based on how many you're going to make. So put that into a big Ziploc bag. Zip it up, let the air out, and zip it up. We're going to smash this into little bits. You can use a food processor if you like. We're going to take our smashed bits and pour it into a bowl. In a separate bowl, I have 1 cup of flour. I'm going to add a dash of salt and pepper. Give it a slight mix. In another small bowl, I have 2 large eggs. Now just whisk the eggs. Next, I have this mild cheddar cheese block, but I got to cut it in half and make it a little thinner. It's a little too thick for me right now. So to do this, I'm just going to have 2-inch squares first, and then simply cut the square in half. And here is our first triangle. Now you see we have our 3 bowls, flour, egg, and Doritos. We're going to dip it in first the flour, then the egg, then the Doritos, and then we're going to put it on our tray with parchment paper and let it sit in the freezer for a couple hours. Let's start with one of our cheese triangles, and we're going to dip it into the flour first. Just cover it really good. Helpful hint, use just one hand for this. Dip it into our egg wash. I'm going to try to use my fork more than my hand. I'll just take my fingers and then put it right into the Doritos. Now, with your dirty hand still, and I say dirty meaning has flour on it, not actually dirty, cover it with Doritos. Then we should be left with a covered cheese block of Doritos. Go ahead and put that onto our parchment paper and do the rest. Now just take this, put this in the freezer for 2 hours. All right, our cheese has been in the freezer for a couple hours. You can tell they're nice and hard. That's what we want before we move on to the next step. We're going to take our Doritos one by one and place them in our air fryer. Make sure we're leaving enough space so they're not touching. I'm just starting with 4 of them, and then we're going to see how they work out. We're going to put it in the air fryer 400 degrees for 6 minutes. So as you see, the first test of 400 degrees at 6 minutes is too long. Either I have to change the temperature or change the time. It worked, it's just melted too much of the cheese. So, off to plan B. So we're going to move on to plan B. I have just 2 of them in there this time. I'm going to only do it for 3 minutes, still at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and see if that works. Okay, it's been 2 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I think that's a good time. They look pretty good. I'm going to carefully take them out. Put them on a plate. Now we're going to do the cheese pull and see how it works out. Let's see. Ooh, looks pretty good. Not bad. A little bit of a pull, but it's mild cheddar cheese, so it really doesn't pull that much anyway. And for the taste test, it's good. Could go a little bit longer. Another minute, we'll say. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these cheesy Dorito triangles. They are absolutely delicious. I did make it before using a regular fryer, this time the air fryer. I kind of like the regular fryer better than the air fryer just because I can see it and when to pull it out. But it does work if you only have an air fryer. Let me know if you make it.